Hello, this is the clock guy. I want to show you one of my all-time favorite wall clocks. It is made by Junghans, a German clock company that started in the mid-1800s. Around the turn of the 20th century, it was producing more clocks than anyone. It was the world's largest clock company. It's got a great history. Junghans makes some amazing clocks, and this is one of them. They are great, long-lasting, well-made German clocks from Black Forest. Actually from Württemberg, or Württemberg, as the Germans would say. It's right by Stuttgart is the capital of Württemberg. So anyway, this clock is mid-century modern. It is a lot of chrome, which they called chromium back then. Very popular in the 60s and 70s. And that would have been my generation. I think it is so cool. So it is brushed aluminum, and it's brushed in two different directions, which would make these squares appear this geometric shape. You can see that it's brushed in one direction then the other. It is a floating dial of black with chromium numbers, squared black hands. This really makes this a gorgeous clock. A chrome pendulum. It's out of the way. It has a chime enhancer. Some people call it a loudspeaker. I will show you as we move to 10 o'clock. It has a harmonic chime, which is more than one note, and it does the bim bam style in an up-to-date fashion. And it does resonate when it chimes. It does chime once on the half hour, and then it counts the hour on the hour. Now back to the front. There it is. The Junghans mid-century modern chromium wall clock. I think it's a work of art. I truly do. This is the clock guy saying, thanks for watching.